just wanted to give everyone a little rundown of why I created Paint by Numbers, how I came up with the idea. I was one of those kids that used to have tape all over their walls and stick up magazines. I bought a house. I really wanted to do a big mural in my office, but what happened was I just didn't trust my freehand work. To get someone to do a mural was ridiculously expensive, so I just left the walls. Fast forward 20 years later, I was looking online at the Paint by Numbers. I just had this like eureka moment where I was like, oh, wouldn't it be so easy if I could find something I loved, paint it, and then stick it on my wall? So I kind of married the wall decal idea and the Paint by Numbers. That began a really long 2-year search on trying to find the right material that you could actually paint on and also stick on your wall like a mural. So the first step in the process is actually finding a design that's going to look amazing on the wall, but also that kids are going to want to paint, and it's going to be reasonably easy for them to paint so they don't get frustrated. What that means is a designer, aka me currently, changes that illustration into a Paint by Numbers that will then be changed into a wall decal. Then we choose the paint colors and make sure that the paint colors look beautiful not only together on the mural but also on your walls. While I'm picking out the paints, the factory is busy printing the decal. They do it in 2 stages. They have these massive machines that print the decal, and then they also cut every single shape of the decal out. Once the decals are printed and the paints are all in the pots, they actually get mailed to me, and I test out every single mural to make sure that there's no quirks or anything that's going to cause any kind of frustration, because the whole point of this is to give you a break and your kids a break, and no one needs a meltdown when they're trying to do a Paint by Numbers. Then I give the factory the thumbs up and they start running off the designs that are going to end up with you. I hope you enjoy the little teaser series and you can see all the care that goes into them. I try and make them as fun and enjoyable for you. I would love any kind of photos if your children enjoyed painting them. If there is a design that you were hoping to see that you didn't get to see, please email me. I respond to all emails personally. I can't wait to see what they create. And I hope that I have also saved your walls from paint and marker and given you a bit of peace and quiet while your kiddo is busy painting their next masterpiece.